Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Looks by Lottie, and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today. I promise I don't always look like a cockatoo, but when I do, you know it's gonna be a good video. If you like videos about makeup, then go ahead and subscribe down below. And if this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here on my channel, then welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. Sorry that I missed Tuesday's upload. Life happens. So if you've been here before, you would know that I am actually on the Boxycharm PR list, and I've been making videos about Boxycharm for the past couple months now. My last video on it got at least 900 views. That one went like crazy viral for me at least, and it helped me gain a few subscribers. So if you're here from that, then welcome. I'm sorry that your first impression of me was bashing on Boxycharm, but glad that you stayed. Anywho's muffins, we've got another Boxycharm video today. My box came in the mail yesterday and I've just been dying to show you guys. So we actually got a pretty big box this month. I remember picking this up and feeling that it was like kind of heavy. And you know, when things are heavy, it's usually a good thing. In case you're wondering, the theme for this month's Boxycharm is Go All Out. And I'm gonna go all out this month because I'm a Leo and my birthday is coming up this Sunday, so it's my month, baby. This card also has descriptions of all the products that I received this month, so if you see me reading it, let me live. Not gonna lie, first impressions, I'm already liking this box a lot more than last month's. Let me show you. So first we have an eyeshadow palette from Gellar, the Casual collection. I received a lipstick from them back when I got my first box back in April, I'm pretty sure it was. It was April or May, and it was very nice. It's a nice little nude eyeshadow palette, but my first thought of this is, like the Maybelline eyeshadow palettes you can get like at Walmart, but I know the quality is gonna be better. Right. 12 shades, endless ways. This pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety matte and shimmering suede finishes to create perfect looks for day and night. The silky texture blends effortlessly on the lids and delivers comfortable crease-proof color that stays put. Want a smoky eye? Done. How about a soft natural effect? Done. Achieve a different easy look for every mood and occasion, and this retails for $45 USD. Yeah, I think this is a nice naturals palette. It's good for all different sorts of looks, so I'm definitely not bashing it. It's very pretty. We have the shade names on the back here. They are not listed on the front, so I'm gonna swatch some. Let's take Breezy, Smooth, Effortless, and Serene. I'm just gonna take them on my finger. Okay, interesting. So the shimmer's right there. That came up pretty nice. This one didn't come off as good, but that's also very similar to my skin tone. This one came off nice, and this one was like has a little bit of shine in it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but not bad. I'll make sure to put on an eyeshadow base before I apply it so that we get, you know, the best pigmentation ever and all that good jazz. Next up, we have a Flirty Lash Set from Lavaa Beauty. This is a new launch. The Flirty Lash Set includes a best-selling 3D mink flirty lash, a clear and latex-free brush-on eyelash adhesive, and gold applicator. And this retails for $54. Well, I guess you do get a lot, but geez Louise. I guess, is this made out of real mink? I don't know, I usually like to be cruelty-free with my products, but I will wear these for the video. Next we have the Frank Body Booty Drops. Now I will not be demonstrating them on YouTube because I don't want my channel to get taken down, but I did try this out earlier today and I think it worked because there are parts of me that were very smooth after using it. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana, we'll say that, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba? Yeah, oils to soften skin and get you glowing. Drop it straight onto your booty for soft and firm skin, or mix with your moisturizer for extra perks. And this retails for $17.95 USD. I'd say it did the trick. And that's my review on it. I will say that the Booty Drops have a very weird smell. Like, it smells good, but it also kind of smells bad. I don't know what it is. Next, we have a serum from Clara's New York. This is their Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. A 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. Retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Use daily for a brighter complexion, and this retails for $24.99 USD. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing this with my makeup. I did look at the directions and it did say to use after cleansing, so I will put on my makeup. I'm going over to a friend's house for a little bit, and then after I take my makeup off and do my skincare, I will be using this and we'll see how it goes. And last but not least, from Manna Kadar Beauty, we have a Hydration Happy Face Mist. Soothe and refresh tired skin with the mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of the day. And this retails for $19 USD. Let's go ahead and try it out now. All right, let's see how she feels. This has a really strong scent, so if you don't like scented sprays, this might not be for you. It's like a floral, I mean, it's like a perfume. It smells florally. I think they have jasmine in here. I love me some jasmine. Yeah, but this was really nice. I recommend this. All right, well, now that we've checked out 2 of the products already, let's go ahead and check these out. So since I'm just going to my friends tonight, not gonna be doing anything crazy, I don't wanna go like all out, but I do want like a nice glam. I want them to be like, oh, are you wearing makeup? I'm like, yes, I am. All right, I'm gonna take this shade right here first, which is called Simple. A little bit of kickback in the pan, but that usually means that it's very pigmented. Oh wait, thanks Charlotte for reminding me to put on my base. You're welcome, Charlotte. All right, now we're ready to go. Let's try this again. I'm gonna put this shade right on my crease. Pretty good pigment, blending out nicely. All right, next I'm gonna take the shade Breezy and we're just gonna soften this up. Okay, next up, taking the shade Nonchalant, I'm going to put that in the outer corner and blend it onto my lid a little bit. That is very dark, a little darker than I thought it would be. Okay, so the dark brown kind of took over this look a lot, and that's probably my own fault. So I'm just kind of dulling it down a bit with the soft brown that we used first. Next, I'm taking the shimmer shade Relaxed on my finger, and we're gonna put it on the inner corner, inner part of my lid. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit of Informal, like right on the place where like the 2 shades blend, just for like a little bit of depth. All right, next I'm gonna add a little bit of liner, and I am still using the Belle Pierre liner from the last Boxycharm box. She has actually been very good to me. Now before we move on to lashes, always put on mascara first, because we don't want to dirty up our lashes with mascara. It'll make them last longer if you keep them mascara free. Okay, now that we are ready for lashes, we have to cut them first. And I know I did a video on lashes on IGTV a while ago, but I don't think I've talked about how I do my lashes, so I'm going to talk about it now. So what I usually do with a new pair of lashes is that I'll curl them a little bit, just to give them, you know, a little bit of shape. Then I take a mirror and I line up the inner corner. I don't line it up like directly in my inner corner, but usually where I would set it, and then see how much length is off of the outer part. And we're gonna cut from the outer part, because usually the inner section, that kind of helps like shape the eye. It'll look weird if you cut it off, trust me. I've made that mistake and it's bad. So let's see, if I straighten it out a little bit, we're probably gonna need to cut this much off. And so I kind of take a little bend a little bit, take my scissors and snip. And that's how I cut them. Usually you're gonna cut off the same length on the other side, but maybe your eyes are like kind of differently shaped. And so I would go ahead and measure it on the other eye as well, just in case. So when it comes to applying eyelashes, I don't usually use an applicator. I usually use my fingers because I feel like I have the best control. But I am open to trying this out because she seems bougie. We're gonna use the lash glue that comes with, looks like your typical glue. It's the kind that like turns blue when it's ready to apply. I'll put extras on the ends. I'm gonna curl it while it's drying, and let's check it out. Okay, I need to use my fingers, I'm sorry. Wait, these lashes are like so pretty though. I'm living. These are so cute. I love them. Okay guys, so I'm really loving this moment. I think it's super cute, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna go ahead, put my base and my lips on. We're gonna do our under eyes and then keep on going. Okay, so my face is almost done. We just gotta get on that lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I wanted to add a little pop of pink, so we are gonna take the shade Effortless. And this was the satin shade from earlier, but has a little bit of gold reflex in it. We're gonna buff out the lower lash line with this pink shade called Natural. Let me add some lower lash mascara, fix my hair, my outfit, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I am really feeling this vibe. I feel cute. I feel like I'm about to go out like on a date. Like I am that girl. Before we do anything, just to get everything settled. All right, so now that we're here, let's talk about the products that I just used on my face. So when it comes to the eyeshadow palette, it is very pretty. However, I do have to make note of how light these shades are. These are most likely not gonna show up on people that are darker than me. And like, that is a problem, unless they have other palettes that are meant for deeper skin tones, but I don't really know. So the formula is good. It worked really well on my eyes. It all blended nicely, but shades are very light. The lashes are super pretty, as you can see, and the lash was holding them on fairly well. Like, I don't think they're falling off or anything. No, they're sticking very nicely. The applicator is a little bit of a learning curve for me since I'm not used to them, but I'm willing to learn more. It seemed like a fine applicator to me though. And the hydrating face mist, I know I already said this, but it just has a nice smell and it feels very nice on the skin. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm just gonna relax, go and hang out with my friends, and then I will be back to you guys later for a final check-in on our final product. See you then.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so it's nighttime now. I took off all my makeup with some micellar water and I also cleansed with my Oatsy facial cleanser. And so now it is time to use the Retinol Serum. I've tried a few Retinol Serums before, but I've never really stuck to any of them. So I'm hoping that I can stick to this one. Obviously, because it's skincare, I can't give you guys like final thoughts, but I will give you some first impressions. Doesn't really have much of a smell. It looks very goopy. Interesting. All right, let's rub her in. It's absorbing into my skin really quickly, not leaving a lot of room for error here. Yeah, obviously right now I can't give you guys any final thoughts. It looks good on my skin. I will more than likely give you guys, I'm just putting on some moisturizer. I'll more than likely give you guys an update at the very end of the month so that you guys can get some closure on that, and I'll tell you whether or not it was worth it. But yeah guys, overall I was really happy with this box, especially compared to last month. I thought all the products that I received worked very well. Some of them were a little weird, like the booty serum, but they work and I'm definitely planning on using them all again. Do you guys subscribe to Boxycharm? If you do, go ahead and let me know if we got the same products down below. Or if you got something different, go ahead and tell me your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Double check that you are subscribed, and while you're here, leave a like and a comment, and also make sure to turn on post notifications so you know when I post my next video. It is now my bedtime, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!